Welcome everyone to another unboxing video from Josh Burke. Today we will be unboxing the Blink Home Mini, which actually came with the Echo Show 5, which I purchased together for a bundle deal for Black Friday. Now we will start to unpackage it, and we are going to have to take off the plastic with the scissors.
Drunk texting my wifey, so I know I'll get a text back, nigga. 45 on my white tee, used to have this shit up on the dash, nigga. Got a lot on my psyche, on my mind, I ain't talking hats, nigga. Like I said on that Syfy, when I train, I tend to overlap, niggas. Where them niggas wanna fight me, we grown, I don't really stand.
And now the plastic is off, and we begin to actually unwrap and unravel the actual package. So here we take it off, we see a Let's Get Started sign with the instructions on how to set it up. First, we're going to need to download the Blink Home Monitor app. Now, here we have the camera, which is a bit hard to take out, but I managed to do it without breaking anything. And the camera is actually pretty small. It feels very nice. It feels very durable, surprisingly. And we have the QR code on the back that we're supposed to scan with the camera app. Now here, it's very hard to take out the charger. It comes with two separate chargers. It comes with the cord and then the actual box, which is really good, so then you can use the box for whatever else you want to use.
Psyche on my mind, I ain't talking hats, nigga. Like I said on that Syfy, when I train, I tend to overlap, niggas. Where them niggas wanna fight me.
Well, that's it for the unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos.